Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss about another fully funded scholarship opportunity, which is the Asian Institute of Technology Thailand. Thailand is not only famous for beautiful culture and landscape but also for providing high quality education for international students. The Asian Institute of Technology or AIT is a prestigious institute that offers master's and PhD programs in engineering, technology and management fields. They offer fully funded and partial funded scholarship to eligible students. In this video, we will see whether this scholarship require IELTS or any application fee and then go step by step through the entire application process. If you want to apply for January intake, here is a list of scholarships you can apply for along with their deadlines. The first step is to check the eligibility requirements because each program has its own criteria. Since I am applying for master's degree, I will click on master's degree program section. Here you can see M1 program, which is 1 year master's standard program. This program has its own eligibility requirements listed below. Next is the M2 program, which is master program with different eligibility criteria. After reviewing the requirements and confirming that you meet them, the next step is to click the apply now button and start your application. To start your new application, you have to click on this and then click on continue. Here you will register yourself, enter your email address and all information, click on submit. They will send a verification link to your email address. Open your email and click on this link to verify yourself. After verification, you can click on continue to start your application. This is the application window. Here you will insert your personal information, your profile picture and all these basic information related to yourself. Then click on save personal information to store your data. You can add your educational information here. Enter city, province and country name of your previous institution. Here you can select your degree and name of your degree. Below you can insert your major and start and end date of your degree here. So fill all this information and then you have to upload your transcript and degree by clicking on this select file and then click on save to save this information. So the next section is English language proficiency. You have to insert your information here and you can upload your document and click on save to save your information. Then click on next. This is the plan for your study section. Here you will insert the faculty list and academic degree program and all this information. You will select faculty and academic program here. Below you can select your desired degree program. I am going to apply for master, so I will select master. And you can select your intake here. I am going to select August 2026. Okay, below is the information related to financial support. If you are applying for scholarship, you have to select yes. And here you will write something about your professional qualification. And below are the documents to upload. If you want to upload these documents, you have to select add and upload your documents one by one. So here you can upload your CV, statement of purpose, recommendation letters, medical form and any additional documents which you want to attach to the application form and which can strengthen your application. You have to write the description for required document and then click on select file. Then upload your file and click on save. You can also delete a file from this section. And if you want to upload more documents, click on upload, write the description and select file and add it. So here you can upload all these required documents, and once all documents are uploaded, you can click on save to save this information and then move to the next section. Okay, below is the recommendation section. You have to select the recommendation type. If you are applying for doctoral degree, There are two options, you can select each. Okay, and after filling the recommendation letter, if you are applying for master degree, there is no need to upload your recommendation letter or set it. So I am leaving it because I am applying for master degree. Then you will click on submit button to submit your application. After clicking on submit, you can see your application status. You will click on check status to see your application status. Okay, here you can see application has completed and the admission processing fee is still pending. So this means you have to pay an application fee for the AIT to move forward and to proceed your application. We have converted the application fee into Pakistani rupees, which is around about 7,000. So this is very reasonable and low application fee for this level of institution. So that's all about the application process. I hope this video was helpful and see you in the next video.